Hey y'all, welcome back. So this is quite possibly one of the easiest wigs I've installed in 2021. Is it the best? Girl, we're gonna kiki all about it. But I wanted to have a real conversation with you guys. But if you do decide to skip around, check the video menu or the description box. But honey, this is gonna be a good word. But check out this little ASMR segment. Can we talk about the color? Emery is stunning. I mean, I'm too stunned to speak. This flamboyage auburn is working for my whole entire life. And I was 100% influenced by Body by Kira. I'm a huge fan of her. She can slay the hell out of a wig. And for me to say that, you know that means a lot. That girl can lay a wig. And so when I saw it, I immediately knew Emery was for me. And I did do a little bit more customization than a beginner might, but I'm telling you guys now, this is not mandatory, but I just like to, do my own thing. And you guys see me using a blow dryer attachment with the wide teeth to remove the shed hair because, honey, that is a great tip and it works. And slicking down the hairline is so important. I'm using my hot comb. It's linked in the description box. Using small, very shallow movements just to flatten and slick down that hairline is everything. It makes all the difference. And also, if you are a beginner, you should 100% be cutting away the lace around the ear tabs before you install your unit. Talk about making life easier. And Sensational is always going to give us ashy lace, so you do have to tint your lace using a powder, foundation, or lace tint spray. So this is 100% big head friendly. The hairline covers about 97% of my natural hairline with a little bit left out, but there is an easy way to finesse that. But my biggest issue with the cap construction is the line of demarcation caused by this layer of lace very close to the front of the hairline. You guys can see, I showed the interior as well as how it looks close up. Is it clockable? Not if, you're 6 feet away from me, which you should be. Back up. But if you are on me, you know what I'm saying? If you are really close, real intimate, you might see it. But again, if you tint your lace, you're better off. So you guys know I enjoy synthetic wigs. I purchase them quite often because I like to look good, but this is a great way to get content, to build your portfolio. It's also an affordable way to switch up your look, especially if you want to showcase more of your talents on Instagram. You guys saw me, if you're not following me on Instagram, girl, what's tea? Where did we go wrong? If you have an account, follow me, okay? I wanted to get more into showing different aspects of my personality, of my style, and I love being able to go between so many different looks based on how I feel. I'm a moody girl, so I get into my mood. I'm very in tune with how I feel, and switching up my look makes me feel good. It is nothing more, nothing less. I'm just an incredibly artistic, very expressive, very creative person. I refer to myself as the visual and creative architect because the way I put these looks together, I might as well be an architect, period, okay? This is why I encourage you guys to step a little bit out of your comfort zone, try new colors. This color is absolutely gorgeous, but is it the most well-made wig? I'm not even gonna lie to you, sis. This wig fought me every step of the way. It tangles, it sheds, it fights back. But to serve a look on the gram, to build a portfolio, to showcase, different styles, girl, for less than $60. And the great thing about this, it is super long. I'm only 5'5", and this thing was down to my cakes, okay? It was down to the cheeks. And that's a little bit too much for me. But you know what? I said I'm gonna make it work. And I did go in and trim it, which you guys will see later on. But the great thing about longer synthetic wigs is that you can continue to cut anywhere from like 1.5 to 2 inches every week or every 2 weeks as it, you know, starts to tangle and fight back. You know what I'm saying? Instead of getting into a match, you know, a wrestling match, just trim away. It's gonna tussle, you know, you want to fight, want to tussle. Like this is what this wig is gonna give. But I am encouraging all of my viewers, do something that makes you feel good. We are about to move into a new year. And if you don't make it about you, if you weren't selfish and that you are prioritizing yourself and your needs and what you require in order to nurture yourself, girl, don't come in last place because you put yourself last, because how you prioritize yourself will influence or encourage others to treat you the same. So how you treat yourself should be supreme. I'm talking top tier. I'm not even talking about this wig anymore. See, we done went into a little message. But look how long this wig is. Oh my God, too much. I'm 5'5". There's no way. There's absolutely no way. Because when you go to the bathroom, did you think about that? Because I did. Because see, with a wig like this, I wear it clipped up or in a bonnet. I'm not going to hold you. I'm going to be honest. This hairline is speaking a whole new language. Like, girl, what dialect is this, honey? Because it's giving. I was almost going to do a side part like she gave, and you know, even with a little flip over, it just wasn't giving it. But what I want Sensational to do, this is just a little key, soften up the roots, because you're giving me flamboyage auburn. Give me a medium brown root. See, I done gave them something, and if y'all start to see it, you already know what's going on. But what do y'all think? Definitely subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, kiki with me in the comments. I know I shared a word, and I love when you guys watch all the way through and you know, give me your feedback, your own commentary on what I said. But I appreciate you all. Have a wonderful holiday season. Stay within the love, within the peace, and I hope I see you in the next one.